This iPad Air 7 was only a few days old when the outer glass got shattered. This iPad Air is equipped with the M3 processor, powerful performance that beats everything else, except the Pro series. Before the repair, we tested the display and touch, no issues. For this situation, only the outer glass needs to be replaced. Place the tablet on a heating pad to preheat, and use a thin blade to cut through the sealing adhesive around the screen. Opening the screen reveals the internal layout. It's pretty much the same as the Air 4, Air 5 and Air 6. I'm guessing they all came out of the same mold. Remove the screws, take off the bracket, and lift the flex cable connectors. Apply transparent tape to the shattered outer glass to prevent glass shards from scratching the inner display during separation. Run the cutting wire slowly through from one corner of the screen. Open the wire on both sides. The 11-inch screen isn't that big, so separation is relatively easy. The cutting wire has gone all the way through the screen. Carefully remove the screen. Use a glue rolling tool to roll off the remaining OCA adhesive. Then roughly wipe and clean the screen step by step. Do a final detailed cleaning of the screen before lamination. Turn on the display. Align the new outer glass cover with the display, and place it into the laminating machine for bonding. Take out the screen. There are still a few bubbles, so put it directly into the debubbling machine. While waiting for debubbling, we clean the tablet frame. Use a scraper to slowly remove the remaining adhesive. Then use a lint-free cloth with alcohol to wipe the frame clean. Apply new sealing adhesive around the frame. The restored screen is reconnected to the display and touch flex cables. Install the metal bracket and tighten the screws. Peel off the protective film from the adhesive on the frame. Then align and reattach the screen back on. The tablet repair is complete. The screen looks brand new. Now we go to the Settings app and open a pure white screen. You can see the entire display shows no abnormalities, no lines and no leakage. Drag icons around the screen, no touch interruptions and no lag. Then open voice memos and use the Apple Pencil to draw around all edges, no interruptions. and the stylus function is perfectly intact. All phone parts and tools are in TiVo.com.